Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And what we have here is three dinosaurs. We have T-Rex, Triceratops and Brachiosaurus. Now we need to assemble it, okay? Let's start from T-Rex first. This is the body of T-Rex. And let's assemble from the right leg. Nice. And the bolt. We need to screwdriver this, and then we need the right arm. Nice. Let's tighten the bolt. Ooh, beautiful. And then the left leg. Tighten it. And then the arm, very tiny arm. Oops. Let's bolt it and tighten it with screwdriver. Okay, we done here. Tyrannosaurus Rex. Let's move on the next dinosaurs, Triceratops. Now let's assemble it. I think we need to this left leg. Let's screwdriver it, and then the front leg. It works with 4 legs, by the way. And then another front leg. Let's tighten it. The rear leg. Nice. We done another dinosaurs, Triceratops. Now let's move on to Brachiosaurus. Now we need the front leg first, the rear leg, screwdriver it, and then we need the another rear leg. And then the last one, front leg. Nice. Whoa, now let's see. We have Brachiosaurus here. Robot dinosaurs. Brachiosaurus. Which one is your favorite? Triceratops, Brachiosaurus or T-Rex? Don't forget to comment down below which one is your favorite. Okay, see you next time on the another dinosaurs video. Goodbye and see you.